welcome back to Universe of Tech Cup. Today in this class, let's talk about the array. First, we need to understand what is array. It means generally, an array is like a row of boxes where each box can hold a value. Each box has a number called as index that helps you to find and access the value inside it. For example, a teacher wants to keep track of the grades of students in a particular subjects like that. The elements are arranged in a sequential order. It means linear order. Each element in a linear data structure is connected to its previous and next element, like a forming a straight line like that. Constant time of the array is O of n. Arrays are commonly used in programming for tasks that requires storing a multiple items of the same type, such as lists of numbers, characters, or objects. We need to know about when to use array. You know the number of items you want to store in the advance. In this time we need to use the array also. You need to access items quickly using their index. This is also example for when we need to use arrays. Also we use I want to store similar types of data like numbers or names. These are all the scenarios we need to use arrays. Then I need to move operations of the array. First one is traversal. Processing of each element in the array is known as traversal. The next one is insertion, adding a new element to the array. This is also called as insertion. The next one is deletion. Removing an element from the array is also called as deletion. Then I need to know about the searching. Searching means finding an element in the array or organizing the elements in some other order is known as sorting. Also, there are two types of array. One is one-dimensional array. The another one is two-dimensional array. A array with a single dimension like A open bracket 10 is a single dimensional array. A multiple dimensional array is example of matrix. This is how array should look like this. This is a one-dimensional array. This is multi-dimensional array. Then we need to move on applications of array. In arrays, we need to use storing the data in a sequential manner. In this scenario, we use the array and also implementing of queues, tags, and other data structures like that, and also representing of matrix and tables like that. This is all about applications of array. Then I need to move on advantages and disadvantages of array. First, I need to take advantages of array. The efficient access. This is very efficient compared to other data structures like linked list. And also memory efficiency. Memory efficiency, array have a fixed size. So memory allocation is straightforward and they don't need extra pointers. In this way, memory making efficient and easy to traverse and sorting. Also, arrays are easy to traverse and it can be sorted with standard algorithm such as bubble sort or quicksort, making them great for order data. And next one is supports multiple data type. Arrays can hold elements of various types. These are all the advantages of the array. And next, we need to move on disadvantages of the array. Array has a fixed size. Once declared, the size of an array cannot be changed, this leading wasting of memory. And next one is inefficient insertion and deletion. Inserting or deleting elements in the middle of an array requires shifting the elements, which can be time consuming. A complexity of the array is O of n. We face a memory allocation issues also. Large arrays can lead to memory allocation errors, especially if there is not enough contiguous memory. And also, last one is limited flexibility. Arrays are not as flexible as other data structures like lists in Python and also in linked list in generally. This is the visualization of the array. First, I need to create a empty array. Then I need to insert 7 at the index 0. Next, I need to insert 10 at index 1. Next, I need to insert 15 index 2. This is how array inserted into the this is how elements are inserted into the array. And next I need to insert 17 at third index. We need to move on to the coding using the Python. First I need to declare class. First I need to create class array. Next I need to define initialize the array using initialization function. Using self as a parameter and create empty array. This is the code for create a empty array. Next, I need to create insert function. First, I need to define insert function element and self as a parameter. Then I need to insert a element to the array. Self dot array dot append, using append method to insert the element to the array. Then print element element inserted into array. This is all about the insert function. We need to display the insert elements into the array using display function. We need to define display function taking self as a parameter. Then print array print array. This code to perform displays the element of the array. Display the element of the array. Then I need to give the input. First I need to take one variable, initialize the array function. Array dot insert 10. Array dot insert 20. Insert 30. Then I insert 40. Then I Lastly, I called a display function array dot display. Let's know. I need to debug this code. 10 inserted into array, 20 is inserted into array, and 30 is inserted into array, 40 is inserted into array. Finally, this is the insert, how insert works in array. Next, we need to insert at beginning and end and middle of the array. I need to insert 17 at second index, second position. This is how array allocated into the memory and how insertion operation is going on. Then I need to insert 17 at the middle of the array. This is how element is inserted middle of the array. Next I'm going to insert 20 at last index. This is how arrays works in insertion. Next I need to perform remove operation. Function is delete self and element as a parameter. I need to check if element in self dot array, the element is presented in array or not. If yes, perform deletion operation using remove method. And I need print element deleted from the array. Otherwise, element is not found into the array. I need to print element not found into the element not found into the array. This is all about delete function. Next, I give the input delete 30 Dot delete 50. Then display. What? Display. I need to debug this code.